Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this edition of Follow Suit, Fashion Unfiltered. Follow suit is a mantra, which means to follow the suit. And as you follow it, you're going to come to realize the suit is a role model and a mentor whose purpose is to give guidance to the young men of this community and as well as to society. And it is my goal to honor and salute some of the individuals who not only put on the suit, but they wear it well. Hence the point, my guest today.
Today, we're just going to do this and probably together like 20 minutes, maybe 30 at most. We're going to talk about how you take care of yourself. And Gil already started some of that too, right? About the choices you make. And some of the work that we're going to do, and obviously we're going to have all that choices. But it's also about to help each other. Talk about the idea of brothers being there for each other. Help decrease stigma. Yeah, so stigma is that idea that sometimes when we start talking about being sad, worried, or upset, or we have these thoughts in our head about, gosh, I'm really worried about myself or someone else. Sometimes we don't want to talk about it. They're going to be scared. And that's called stigma. It's because people are afraid of talking about it. So we want to decrease stigma because we want to talk about these feelings. We want to make the choice to say, gosh, my friend is struggling. I want to lean into them. I want to talk to them. Or I'm struggling and I need to go get some help. So we're going to talk about increasing connection in doing that, building your community, and empowering. Empowerment. The word power is in there, right? To give yourself power. Empower yourself to take care of yourself.
I'm Stephen Kariskis, and I'm with Samaritans. I'm the Senior Director of Education and Outreach. And what we've been doing for the last couple of months is working with Anthony and Gil from Follow Suit to create a very customized program for the young Black male community around suicide prevention. So we've been collaborating with the Follow Suit program and what they're already doing to add some of these elements to really lessen suicide rates, suicide ideation, and increase mental health awareness for the community, because we know that the young Black community is really impacted by suicide ideation. So today, what we did is we in our collaboration, we came together, and Gil from Follow Suit and Anthony from Follow Suit and myself, we each took a piece of time to reflect on the work and why we're doing this. And we have brought some things for the young people, and they're now currently designing their own shirts and designing their own potentially posters or ideas about how they would share the information they gained today, which is around being a great listener, asking great questions, and knowing all their resources to care for themselves as well as their friends. So that's what we're doing.
Hi, I'm Casey Maitland. I'm the Chief Clinical Officer at Samaritans. Today was the first ever collaboration between Follow Suit and Samaritans, and we were able to get a lot of young kids in the room talking about suicide prevention, learning how to listen, how to ask, how to get help. And I think there's nothing better than sharing information and making sure people walk away with concrete skills. Right now, the kids are drawing and helping us with some design work, which is really exciting, and helping us to get their message out there.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael Davis. I'm the manager of Community Outreach and Partnerships here at Samaritans. And during my first week and my first outing, I've had the luxury of being here in my home community of Roxbury. And what we want to do here is just inspire young people to take advantage of these resources. Provide these resources not just for themselves and their families, but to their peers, to maybe some other adults who may not necessarily know how to tap into the resources. So what we did here today was provide tools, specific tools that they can use anywhere they go. So no matter where they go, they know I have this resource, I have this line, I have these PowerPoints, I have these presentations, I have these people who I can call one time, 2 times, 3 times, a million times, but whatever it is that I need to see. And right now what we have the young people doing is creating their own shirts. Because we have our own messaging, we want to hear directly from the young people first. What is it that you want? What do you want to see? What do you envision on branding and what you know your peers would react to? So we're just blessed to serve them, and after they design it, we're going to create it, print them out, and it's going to be available for everyone to see. So just thank you all for the time here, Anthony and Gilbert, for all they do for these young people. And it's a beautiful moment, and great collaboration.
I'm Shakur Jokes, and I think this class is very different from the other classes because this class, it talks about how you're in this together. You're just not by yourself. You're all the people's always going to be there for you, and you always have other resources to put. So, like, you could talk to people about what's happening. You don't have to be shy about what's happening.
My name is Jordan Thompson, and today I learned about mental health, and I learned about how to help people if they're in stress or anything situation they are. I enjoyed the class very much, and I want to come back here a million times more.
They were here this evening to follow suit, the mentoring program in joint collaboration with Samaritan Suicide Prevention Organization. And we're trying to reach out to young men in the urban community and give them information, share ideas, training, and let them express themselves in a safe space. And it all centers around suicide prevention amongst young men in the urban community. So stay tuned, we got more things down the pipeline. You know, we're all about saving lives, one student at a time. This is Follow Suit. We're here for our community, so stay tuned, we'll be back.